Welcome to today's episode of our technology podcast, where we dive deep into the world of modern application development. Today, we're focusing on an aspect that some might find daunting: managing complex microservices in Kubernetes. We'll be exploring a tool called Tilt and how it simplifies this usually hectic process. So let's set the scene. You've got a modern app that's made up of tons of different services, right? They communicate endlessly, and keeping everything in sync can feel a bit like trying to juggle while riding a unicycle. That's where Tilt comes in. It's designed to power the development of microservices and ensure they behave, which sounds pretty vital, don't you think? Imagine you're working on a development environment tailored for your team. With Tilt, all you have to do is type Tilt up, and voila, you've got a complete dev environment ready to go. Now, Tilt takes over the heavy lifting. It automates everything from tracking file changes, building container images, and updating your environment. It's a bit like a super efficient assembly line for software. Now, for our listeners who might be new to Tilt, don't worry. There's an excellent tutorial that can help you get started easily with the essentials. Say you're configuring a service. There are best practice guides available for popular languages like Node.js, Python, and Java, among others. It's pretty user-friendly. But let's dig a little deeper. One of the standout features of Tilt is how it optimizes your development workflow. You may be familiar with command lines like docker build or using kubectl apply. Well, Tilt brings everything together into a seamless experience. It's like having a personal assistant for your development tasks. And if you ever find yourself stuck or just curious about something, the Tilt community is right there with you. You can join them in the Kubernetes Slack, and they're quite active in the #Tilt channel. Isn't it refreshing to know that there's a whole support system ready to help you navigate any bumps along the road? Also, for all the developer enthusiasts out there, if you're interested in extending Tilt's capabilities, you can contribute to its source code. Just think about it. Your own ideas could help someone else out there, all while getting a chance to improve a tool that many rely on. Now, a bit more on the serious side, the maintainers take security quite seriously. If you happen to uncover a security issue, they urge you to reach out privately rather than posting it publicly. This builds a sense of trust and respect within the community, and they even thank you publicly for your efforts. As we wrap up, I want to highlight that Tilt is all about making the development process smoother. They even gather anonymized usage data to continually improve their platform, which I think is a great approach. So what about you? Have you dealt with the challenges of microservice management? How do you streamline your development process? If you've had experiences with Tilt or other tools, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for joining me today on this journey through modern app development with Tilt. Keep those ideas brewing, and we hope to catch you in the next episode. Happy coding, and take care.